Hey, fellow divers, guess what I got in the mail the other day? My September Reefbox. Today, just keep diving. All right, my fellow divers, guess what we got today? Today is a special edition of opening up and reviewing our Reefbox for September. Now, I heard some news that Reefbox was up for sale, so that may affect the contents. I'm not so sure. I know it's really hard to put together a Reefbox where fellow divers can use it over and over and over again or introduce you to some new products. So, glasses on, and let's read. Today is today is actually August the 1st. I received this in September. We are getting a Reefbox that is, this box is stuffed with gear to keep you and your gear dry, clean, and secure on your next dive. 1. Action camera BCD strap mount. MSRP $19.95. 1 30x50 macro towel by Gear Aid. MSRP $24.99. 1 dive mask cleaner and anti-fog by Jaws. I like Jaws product. That is $14.95. 1 regulator mouthpiece cover. That is $4.95. Donation to the Coral Reef Box Alliance. For every Reef Box ship, we make a donation to the Coral Reef Alliance, who is dedicated to preserving the ecosystem that we have all fallen in love with. To find out more about this program, visit coral.org. I do believe these are based out of California, not to be confused with reef.org, based out of Key Largo. Both are great places to donate money. So that's our Reefbox introduction. Ta-da! What do we have? 1 microfiber towel by Gear Aid. Okay. 1 microfiber towel to keep things dry and clean, and to keep your lenses completely clear and fog free while above water. Wow, that's a pretty big towel. Okay, with, of course, baggie to go with it? The baggie to go with it. Wow. Apparently 2 bags in 1. A gear bag, a gear keeper, and it can hold the towel. Okay. Our Jaws Just Add Water solutions. Just add water and bam. I'm sorry. You got the spit anti-fog, and I believe the other is the mask scrub. Mask and slate cleaner. Now guys, everybody laughs at that, but actually it's a real thing. You do have to clean your mask every once in a while. When you start diving and you look over in the edges and you start seeing funk grow up, yeah, it's time to clear the mask. Okay. Regular mouthpiece. Oh, okay, I got you. So, the regulator would go like this, right? And cover the mouthpiece to where no critter crawlies crawl up into your dive gear while you've got it in the closet. Really sucks to suck on the second stage the first time and a moth. Know what I'm talking about. All right. The music is added for free. Thank you very much. All right. So, oh, I got you. Okay. So apparently this would, right, go on the mask like this. So you got me now? Can you hear me now? You understand this? Go on the mask like so, and then, or like this. So not like that. I think on the strap itself, and then dun 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, sorry, I just aged myself there, didn't I? All right. I'm going to use, actually, this comes at a good time because I am going to Destin 5th, 6th, and 7th, and we're going to be diving with Emerald Coast Scuba. Now, the weekend we go, the reason why we go the first weekend of every September, is, or excuse me, first weekend of every October, is because Destin has the Seafood Festival. It has turned into more of a carnival, but it's still fun. It's still fun for the kids. And now that we got grandkids, Destin's grown up to be like the old Panama City used to be. Family oriented. And the Harbor Walk is actually really, Destin has done an awesome job with the Harbor Walk. But all this comes in at a great time because in 4 days, I am going to be hitting the water with my wife, Tammy, and a friend of ours, Shane. I hope to be able to get some video of all of us, maybe different times, different things, and then at the end, I am going to review Emerald Coast Dive Shop. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so that is the end of my review for Reefbox today. I want to thank all 7 subscribers. If you like what I'm doing, just hit like below and also subscribe. Every time I come in, I'm going to try for a video a week. Different things, different reviews, different times, different issues, different products. We will see what we can do. I got some suggestions. I got some questions. Some people have sent me, hey, can you review this? So I am looking and shopping for you guys. Just keep diving. That is it for us. Have a good day. Have a good day.